How's it going, y'all? This is Nick with HoustonCaseManagers.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get connected to the Medicaid phone number in your state. Now, I will say probably the easiest way to do this is by just calling the direct number to your state. But I don't want to do a video where I give out 50 different states and their Medicaid number. So I'm going to show you a way where you can call one number and get connected to any state's Medicaid telephone number. And this phone number is to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, and that phone number is 877-267-2323. That's the number we're going to call. We're going to do just a quick tutorial. You'll see kind of how the phone tree works. That way, if you do decide to try to find your Medicaid number this way, you kind of know the process. Put it on speaker.
This is the headquarters for the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, located at 7500 Security Boulevard, Baltimore, Maryland, 21244. Please listen carefully to our menu options as they have changed. To repeat an announcement, press the pound key at any time. If you are calling about Medicare coverage, including Medicare prescription drug coverage, press 1. If you would like to enroll or change your enrollment with Medicare,
and we're looking for the Medicaid option, and I think it's option 3, so it should be coming up.
Medicare fee-for-service questions, press 2. If you're calling for information on your Medicaid benefits, press 3. If you're calling up, you have reached the Centers for Medicaid and Children's Health Insurance Program Services. Our office provides federal oversight to the state agencies that administer the Medicaid and Children's Health Insurance Program, which is also called CHIP. State Medicaid and CHIP agencies have the primary responsibility for operation of the Medicaid and CHIP programs, and they are your first and primary resource for assistance with your Medicaid and CHIP-related questions, particularly as it relates to your eligibility status or benefits. To find out how to contact your state agency with Medicaid CHIP questions, please go to the Medicaid.gov Contact Us page for a link to your state agency's contact information, or you may press 1 to be directly transferred to your state agency.
Okay, we're pressing 1.
You will be transferred to your state agency so they can help you with your Medicaid or CHIP question. Please listen carefully and select your state or territory based on the following options. Press 1 if your state or territory name starts with the letters A through C, which includes Alabama through Connecticut. Press 2 if your
Okay, so real quick, they're going to go through, basically you have 8 options, 1 through 8. So each number on your phone, it corresponds with a different set of states. So, for example, if you press 1, that's going to connect you to the A states through the C states. Option 2 is the D states through the H states. Option 3 are the I states. Through the L states. And I will, in the description of this video, I'm going to put all the corresponding numbers and the states that they'll connect to. But we'll just quickly connect to a random state. Hold on.
T through V, which includes Tennessee through Virginia. Press 8 if your state name starts with the letter W, which includes...
Okay, we'll press 8 for the W states.
Press 1 for Washington. Press 2 for West Virginia. Press 3 for Wisconsin.
Let's go to West Virginia.
Wait while I transfer your call. For contacting the West Virginia DHHR Office of Constituent Services, Client Services Division. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday.
Okay, so basically that is the main one of the main ways to get in touch with the Medicaid department in your state. You can call CMS, which stands for Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. I always get confused which one comes first. Medicare and Medicaid Services. You can call them at 877-267-2323. You have to go through their phone tree because with government, there's always going to be a confusing phone tree. And then once you make it through the phone tree, just press the number that corresponds with the state that you live in. And again, in the description, I'm going to put the 8 different telephone options and the states that correspond with each, so it makes it a little bit easier for you. But that's all I've got for this video. If you need help understanding community resources, what options you have for housing, medical assistance, mental health, food assistance, even if you're outside of Houston or the state of Texas, leave a comment below and I can probably find out where you can go for assistance. I've been doing this for 11 years, so I don't mind helping people out. It's very easy for me to find this stuff. So again, if you have questions about where you can go to get help in your area, definitely let me know. Like and follow the channel if you need resources like this. But that's all I got. Thanks for watching, y'all.